Right, so to make this video, I have a 1-inch wooden ball. I have 2 lengths of paracord, about 5 feet long each. I joined them in the middle. I have a Speedy Jig Plus, which is what I'm going to be using today. I'm not sponsored by these people or anything. I bought this out of my YouTube money, but it's really good. It's featured in a few of my videos, and I'm using it because it's got a Monkey Fist jig. And everything I use in this video, apart from my fingers, I will have an Amazon link in the description below. Right, so 1-inch ball, pop that in the middle like that. And then what I'm going to do, get the halfway point of the cord, put it halfway down the ball, and I'm going to wrap this white cord around, so there's 5 passes. So 1, 2, and bring that cord around there like that. So you can see I've got 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom. Next, what I'm going to do is get the cord. I'm going to go and bring it round behind everything, and I'm going to go 5 times horizontal. So 1, right, so I've done that. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Oh, and I've got a fid as well. So what I'm going to do is attach the fid, and I like to, if I can, take everything off the jig right now. I find it easier to do the vertical piece. So slowly and carefully take it off the jig, he says. Like that. And then what I'm going to do is get this red cord. It's going to go underneath everything like that. And what I'm going to do, go underneath and poke it through the top. Like that. And I'm going to do that 5 times as well. Some people like to keep it on the jig. I don't know. I find it easier. It is more fiddly, but I find it easier to take it off. But you do you. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red that side and 5 red that side. Right, so I've threaded everything through. It looks a real mess, but hey, it's not perfect, it's real life. Right, so there we go. I've done the first part, and yes, it looks a real mess, but hopefully we can fix that. And now we get to the real fun part, which is tightening. So what we're going to do is start with the last cord. So the last cord was red. It comes out the bottom. So all I'm going to do is just take the slack out of that red, and all I'm doing is just taking the slack out. I'm not doing anything, I'm not pulling it tight, I'm just taking the slack out. Oops, like that. Follow it through all the way around to the bottom, like that. So we've done that, and now we do the second cord, which is the white. You can see it comes out here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the bottom, and all I'm going to do again is take that slack out. I'll follow it all the way round. Pull all the cords in place and just take the slack out. Like that. There we go. And now we're going to do the first cord, this white one, which does look a mess. And all we're going to do is exactly the same. I'm just going to put the cords in their place. Like that. And now you can see it comes here. So we just pull it. We're not pulling everything tight. Right, now when we get to this shoulder piece here, we can do exactly the same. It comes around here and starts here, and all we're going to do exactly the same is pull that slack out and try and get the twist out as well. But I'm not doing anything other than putting it in place like that, and then you just carry on tightening everything up. There we go. It's not perfect. I don't try to be perfect, I just try and get it looking good. And I'm going to do one more pass, just one more lap of tightening everything up, and then I'll see you in a minute. Right, so there you go, I've tightened it up. It's not perfect. There you go, I've tightened everything up. They say practice makes perfect, and I need to do a lot more practice. Not the best, but it's not bad. Now what we're going to do is make it into a key ring. I've got a split ring, and this is only a key ring, so I'm not going to make it into anything bigger. I'm just going to use it to put my keys on. So all I'm going to do is get my split ring, bring the cords down through the center, and this is how long this is where you determine how long you want your keyring to be. I normally do 2 or 3 inches like that, and then all we're going to do is a cobra weave. Nice and simple. White goes over the top, red cord goes behind, out the other side, like that, and then just pull those cords until it cinches up. I've made loads of these in the past. When I first started my new job, I went from a really good money to a minimum wage, which at the time was like £6.36, and I needed extra money, so I was making these and selling them on eBay. Well, there you go, and all you do is just keep doing all the way down to the bottom. Right, so there you go, got all the way down to the bottom, and now all I'm going to do snip and singe, and what I'm going to do is just cut about a scissor width away from the cobra weave, like that. And then just burn it slowly and carefully, like that. Flatten it down. Do the other side. There you go, a nice and easy Monkey Fist keychain. Now with the World Cup coming up, you can make these in all sorts of different country colours. This could be England or Switzerland. You could use different country colours and sell them on eBay or Etsy or wherever you want to sell them. But yeah, not bad at all.